Here's a quote by Henry Ford about collaboration. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress. And working together is success. Let's introduce you to our work study practices.
I am communication, sharing info and ideas with others.
I'm innovation, making something unexpected, new, and useful.
I'm self-direction, taking charge of your own learning.
And I'm collaboration, working together to achieve goals.
What work study practices are we learning about today?
It's me. Hi, I'm collaboration, it's me. Hey, communication, do you want to see what it's like to collaborate?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. Come on.
No, it is not.
I wonder where this goes. Oh, maybe it goes there. Oh, look, it goes right here. It fits.
Collaboration, that's our station. We work together to get it done. We couldn't do it without everyone. Oh, yeah!
Go.
Do you think this would do good for the poster?
Yeah.
Collaboration, that's our station. We work together to get it done. We couldn't do it without everyone. Oh, yeah!
Hey, am I blind, Logan? Because I'm not sure if I'm seeing this correctly. Oh, I see it too.
Collaboration, that's our station. We work together to get it done. We couldn't do it without everyone. Oh, yeah!
Oh, wait. It's a superhero to stop and save the city.
Whoa.
Wait, he has to be found. Maybe that's a word. Talia, you try it.
Found.
It
We
worked.
did it. Let's see what's inside. Huh. A flashlight? Paper?
Oh, I think it's a black light. Let's try. It says, look in the bin for flashcards. Guys, where's the flashcards at?
Over there.
Oh, I found the key. Guys, since we all worked together and collaborated, let's try it all together.
3,
3,
2,
1.
Go.
We opened it. Let's see. We broke